Good morning, students. So today we are going to learn block number 23, rocks and minerals. So we are discussing the LP1, means lesson number 1, properties of rock. And aim of this lesson to identify that different type of rock have different physical properties. Okay. So students, today in this today lesson we will discuss that some of the rocks. Okay. So see here. So what is this all? Look at carefully, students. So what is this all? See it. So these all the rocks. So what is the rocks means? Do you know that? And where you can see them and where we keep this all rock? Do you have some ideas, students? So you can see all these rock are different. Okay, students. So based on physical properties, they are different, right? Okay, right now, students. So rocks are found all around us. So rocks are naturally form of the solid on the earth's surface. So like the mountain, pebble, gravel, sand and clay, there we can found the some rocks. Okay. So first, this is the different type of the rocks. First is a marble, second is limestone, third is a coal, and fourth is a granite, and fifth is a pumice. So these are the some different type of the rock. So here you can see that a different form of the rocks. So today we will learn where rocks have in different properties. Why the rocks have the in different properties, that we are going to learn. So here you can see this is a marble. Okay, students. So this is a marble. You can see here this is a marble. It is a white, shiny and hard. Okay. So next you can see this is a limestone. So limestone, you can see white in color. You can find the many limestone in different color also, but they are the different layered. So here you can see that limestone also have in different layer. So they have in different layer form. So some are the layer form in the limestone. Here you can see it. So next stone is a coal. So this is a coal. It is a very shiny and it is very hard. So next thing is a granite. Okay. So this is a granite. So in this granite we can see here granules. Okay. See here. It is a granules, means look like the small stone. So it is like the some small. It is like the structure of small stone. Okay. So this is a granite. So next is the students. So here you can see this. See this stone carefully, everyone. You can see that here is a porous. You can see on the stone it's some porous. So porous means the small hole. You can see here. So this is the porous form of the stone. So this is the stone form of the porous, and it is called that a pumice. So these stones we can call that a pumice. Sometimes these stones we can found in a green structure or the green in color. So these are the different type of the rock, and they are also they having different properties. Okay. So here you can see that one chart, different properties of rock. So first is a granite. Granite is hard, grainy, shiny and black in color. So next is a stone marble. Marble is very little and shiny. It is hard and white. Pumice. Pumice has a small hole on that a stone. And next is a limestone. So limestone look like the hard and look like stone with layers. So on the limestone we can see that some layers. So based on that properties, rock are the different shaped that some of the rock are shiny, some of the rock are the small, some of the rocks have the small holes. So now we can go through the worksheet. So first students, see here, worksheet number S1, properties of rock. So first question is, what are rocks and in what form do we find them? Means in which form we can find them. And second question, how is a granite rock different from a pumice rock? That we discussed. We discussed that how it is different from the granite from a pumice rock. Third question is, Rama and Shri brought a sample of rock each. Name the rock and give the reason for your choice. So first is it is hard and white as a milk and it is a very shiny. So which one is a milky and shiny? So that one you have to write. So which is the rock has a hard and milky. Okay, so that one which is the rock is a milky and shiny, that one you have to write. Second, it was a dark as night. It made Shri's hand dirty and when she touched it. So it is a cold rock, because cold, when we can touch it, hand will become blackish in color. So next question. So see, which among these rock will you choose to make the pretty shelf for your home? Why, and why will you not choose others? So here given some name of the rocks and which is you can choose that to make a pretty shelf for your home. So you can choose either granite and marble, because they are very smooth and shiny in structure. So next question number 5. Rock like limestone and granite are cut from huge mountain of the rock. Still they are different from each other, and why? Okay. So you can from this question answer you have to write the own answer. So read it the question carefully and think about and complete your worksheet. Okay, so here we completed our lesson number 1. Next video we will learn our lesson number 2.